Good day, or today I'm just going to walk us through on how to effectively use filters in Excel. So best practice is to actually start by getting your filter going. So how we do that, you click on data and then you click on filter. So, but you must make sure that your data does not have any blank rows in between your data, because if it's got a blank row, that means it will end where the blank row is, and then all the data which is at the bottom will not be filtered. So it's best practice to ensure that all your rows are filled up with data, and also even all your columns, because if there's a gap here, the filter will only end where the gap is, and you cannot check everything in your data. So the first thing that we're going to take a look at is the filter by text color. Can you see this data? I've got text which is highlighted which is colored in red. So you can filter by that. And also I've got this color fill yellow. And you can also filter by that color, or by the one which is not colored at all. And then also you can filter by selecting maybe a couple of items, lines. For example, you may want maybe salaries, rent, and maybe, for example, maybe computer expenses. So you want to filter for those three only. You can also be able to do that. I'll show you how to do that. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to filter by color, which is the drop down. So you click on the drop down, maybe on the column that you want to filter. So the first thing that we're going to do, filter by color. So you just click on the down arrow and then click on the filter by color. So the options. So the filter by color is the one which is on top, and then the filter by font color is also the one which will be on the bottom. The filter by font color is the one which is the color of the text, which is in red. So here it is. So we're gonna filter first by the color, so which is yellow. So here we go. So this is how you filter by color. And then the other way around, you may want to filter by no fill, everything that's not been colored. So you just click the bottom one, which is no fill. So that means this one is one which is not colored by a solid color. And then the next we're gonna do, I'm gonna clear my filter, and then we're gonna do the one filter by our red, the font color or the text color on our text, so red. So this is how you do it. And then if you want the one which is the normal color black, then you click the automatic. So it will give you only what is the black the color, that you have the natural color of your text. So having done that, I'm just going to clear it. And then next, we're going to do lastly, we're going to do where you want to select maybe say multiple accounts, but this one, what we are working on is a TB. So how you do that, maybe we want rent, and then salaries, and maybe wages. So how you do that, you click on your down arrow, and then drop down, and then I'm going to select, first thing I said is going to be rent. So you select rent, and then I'm going to make sure, and then click OK, take out everything else. There I've got my rent. Next, I said I want salaries. So, and then you put salaries. Salaries. Can you see when you've selected salaries, it comes this one to say add current selection to filter. So you have to make sure that you click the checkbox next to that add, and then click OK. Once you've ticked it, you can see now there's my rent and salaries. Next, we want wages. And then I'm going to untick what I don't want, and then click again, add to current selection. So this is how you do multiple selections or for filters purposes. So otherwise, enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.